RG.
Hey, how far?
No, hear the latest.
What's up again?
No, that girl like to carry shirt. I mean, like to carry shirts.
I know the girl. What's up?
Now one big like I pay, give am belle.
Jesus!
No, yeah.
Guy, no serious.
No mean it.
No wonder you missed yesterday's show.
We should.
Well, back I play Warri Wolf now for Warri Stadium. Now,
Warri Stadium?
Yes, now Liwe self come. He say make I give her my number. And I tell the guys I don't share my I don't share my number with strangers. I don't share my number with strangers. I don't give her.
You know my brother they live for Calabar. Now he like the shop dog.
When you show me picture.
Yes, yeah, that one. Me it's like dope. He come say guys Samsung S10 they share give everybody. All these small sharing there our area. All the get Samsung S10 now. You use say they do foot mats. Come our area now. There be matches Samsung S10 on the ground like this.
Chai!
Yes, I've been live.
Well, I ain't like that. I ain't like that.
Yes, I've been live.